Imagine a world where everything is designed with you in mind. Welcome to the realm of user-centered design. This powerful approach places the needs and preferences of the end user at the forefront, resulting in products that are not only functional but also intuitive and enjoyable to use. Consider the thrill of a well-executed touchdown or the precision of a three-pointer in basketball. That's the level of satisfaction user-centered design aims to deliver. It's about creating a seamless interaction between the user and the product, much like the flawless teamwork seen in sports. In the same way a sports team analyzes their opponents to devise the best strategy, user-centered design involves thorough research and understanding of the end user. And the result? Superior products that hit the mark every time, just like that perfect goal or home run. So the next time you marvel at a product that just gets you, remember, there's a good chance user-centered design is the MVP behind it. Because in this game, the user always comes first.